मॉनसून के हर अपडेट के लिए बेल आइकॉन दबाकर हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मौसम से जुड़ी खबरों के लिए आज ही डाउनलोड करें स्काईमेट वेदर ऐप। Hi, this is Ankita Gautam and you're watching Quick Weather Report for South India. During the last 24 hours, good rainfall activity has been observed over entire South India. Going by the numbers, where Port Blair received 34 millimeters of rain, Dharampuri recorded 17 millimeter, Anantapur 60 millimeters of rain, Hanamkonda 53 and Nalgonda received 28 millimeters of rain. These rainfall activities are likely to continue for the next upcoming days. At present, a cyclonic circulation can be marked close to Andhra Pradesh coast. Due to this weather system, we expect good rainfall activity of light to moderate intensity to continue over Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, South Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu as well as Kerala for the next 2 to 3 days. Also, 1 or 2 places over this entire region might even receive heavy showers. This is all for this video. Keep watching Skymet Weather.